Alright, so what's up everybody, my name is mazzatun, and today I've got a quick video. This video is basically how to implement the Malacath Band of Brutality in my MagDK builds. And I will also add more tips on how to implement it in any build. But I'm just gonna go straight into this. I'm not gonna talk much about other things. I'm just gonna go straight into it. Now you guys know that my build is the elephant with crafty. Now I've had a lot of comments asking me, how do you put the Malacath ring? The first thing that you can do is run a 4-piece set. Now sadly, because of the way the Elfbane and Groth are set up, you can't really backbar a set. So because of how Elfbane works, you need to have it on your body at all times. You need to have it on both bars at all times. You can't really sacrifice it on the front bar. If you front bar it and you're on a back bar and Groth procs, it's gonna be 5 seconds. It's not gonna be 10 seconds. So you're pretty much, with this exact setup, you're pretty much forced to run a 4-piece. But luckily, there's a lot of good 4-pieces that you can run. And the first one is Necro. The 4-piece of Necro gives you 3 lines of maximum magical, which increases your maximum magical, which makes you hit pretty hard. Let me actually check. My whip tooltip is 9k, which is pretty fucking good. Now these are supposed to reduce cost. I'm just using these Jody as an example. But having Necro on the weapons, Inferno, and then ring and necklace, then you can run the Malacath Band of Brutality with your Elfbane and Groth. That's the first one. There's another set. I actually first saw this from Dots Gaming, which is Stuhns' favorite. The 4-piece from this is pretty good. It gives you 2 lines of spell damage, it gives you spell penetration. Now because you're in heavy armor and you don't really have that much spell penetration into this build, this can be a very good substitute to Necro. So if you want to craft something, this is definitely a really good option. I don't know which one is better. Both of them are pretty fucking good in my opinion. Also, one thing to note, this can be crafty and Necro, because crafty gives you the same exact numbers as Necro. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it gives you the same exact numbers because the four pieces are all maximum magicka. It's the same thing with Necro. It's all maximum magicka, so it doesn't really make that much of a difference which one you pick. Pick the one that is cheapest if you want to run this meta. I'm gonna have a list in the description of all the good 4-piece sets that you can use, but I'm also gonna show you another example. Now this example works for almost everything in the game. Running a set that can be front barred and another set that can be back barred allows you to run Malacath ring and Balrog, any monster set, not Balrog specifically, and any monster set you want. The way you do this is pretty much run 6 pieces of whatever set that you want to back bar. As you can see, I have 6 pieces of Warlock. I have 2. I have a necklace and a ring and 2 body pieces and the eye staff. Now I have 6 pieces of Warlock. Now I can run the Malacath Band of Brutality, and then I can run Stuhns' Sword and Shield, and then body parts. Now I still have Stuhns, because Stuhns carries over and Warlock carries over as well. I can run the Malacath ring and have maximum efficiency because I can also run a monster set. I hope that makes sense. I hope I'm explaining this right. It's a bit complicated, but this works with any mythic and with any build, as long as you can find the 2 sets that can be back barred and front barred. You can also do this with New Moon and Clever Alchemist for stamp characters, and there's also many different options you can do. There's a lot of other options, millions of options, and I think that's pretty much it. Now again, this doesn't have to be Malacath. You can run 3 pieces of Warlock jewelry here, and then you can run the mythic shoes, or you can run the mythic necklace and run 2 Warlock necklaces here, for example. I hope that makes sense. So this method works with any mythic. So yeah, I hope that makes sense, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I hope you took something out of this. I hope you guys have a great day, and see ya.